my outfit before. Okay, so baby goat got out, and we're trying to see it. And my hair isn't a braid. Still need to pick our strawberries. And then I want strawberry ice cream, because they have homemade strawberry ice cream. So, we'll see if we get that. Look at this goat. It's so cute. Whose do you think is better? Mine. Yours are not as dark as mine. And I love to leave the little things on, because that's how you know they're picked. So it is super hot right now, and it's about to thunderstorm. So I don't know if you can hear all the thunder. You can see the sky's like getting dark, and it's thundering right now like crazy. So I think it's about to rain. But really quick, I just wanted to show my little garden here. I think it's been like the past few years, but the past couple years, I would say since COVID, I really got into it. So I just want to show you what I have. It literally brings me so much happiness. It's so like fun to see it actually grow, and then like I love to use it to cook or to make like a quick meal or something, like the tomatoes, the herbs I love to cook with or bake with. And it just feels so much better like using it, like knowing that you grew it. But yeah, I guess I'll start here. The first row, usually I do herbs. So this one is a little rosemary. I love rosemary, especially in the fall. It gets bigger in the fall and it lasts all the way through Christmas. Like it doesn't die. I think it's an evergreen. So I like to make like rosemary potatoes. My mom actually uses some of it for like rosemary, like chicken with rosemary and lemon and stuff. I don't eat chicken, but it is a good combo. And then here we have the basil, which is thriving. Again, obviously basil like isn't a lot of things. So right here on the end here we have the jalapeno plant, which I love. That usually comes towards like the end of the summer. Okay, so then under here, you can't see the little sign, but these are shishito peppers. It's like when you get Japanese food, a lot of times they have them. So there's actually a few that need to be picked, but it's about to rain, so we'll just pick them later. Okay, so then under here we have these little like vine cherry tomatoes. Those we're getting a few of them now. A lot of this stuff doesn't really get like its full growth until like late summer. That's like why they used to harvest in the fall. But right here is the heirloom tomatoes, which I'm obsessed with. This is so good for, see, like they're like different colors. There was one inside that was like really big and like yellow and red, but those are my favorite. They're good for like caprese and just salads and stuff. And then back there are the big beefsteak tomatoes, which is just kind of like your standard big tomatoes. But yeah, let me see my little signs. Yeah, I wrote all these little signs. Heirloom tomato. but wow, I don't know if you can hear that, but I think it's about to rain. So just wanted to show my little garden. Maybe I'll show some of the stuff I harvest maybe a few weeks from now, because usually there's like a huge amount towards August. Okay, so these are literally 2 of the zucchini. The other ones actually were too ripe and were starting to get rotten, but they're the biggest. You could see like my hand for reference. They're the biggest zucchinis I think I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, that's the bottom. It's crazy. I think we're gonna roast them on the grill or something, or just cut them up like into circles and grill them with just some olive oil. But I'm very excited. Like, we could win the county fair. We don't actually have a county fair, I'm just saying. You know, and they have like vegetable contests. Like, this would definitely probably win for the biggest zucchinis. The lighting's really bright right now. I don't know why. I'm about to go bike riding and have a little picnic in this park. The lighting is very strange right now. But yeah, I got a basket to put on the bikes to bring stuff. So the sky actually looks really pretty right now. As I stand in your way, you're gonna hit me in the head. But yeah, I'll show you that. Look at the sky. Ooh, looks crazy. Okay, so this is the basket. We have a little mini baguette, like a board to put the stuff on, a little mini brie, a cheese knife, and then there's this like strawberry lambic, like sparkling beer. But I thought it looked so cute. It's from Trader Joe's. It is strawberry, raspberry, like from Germany type of, I don't know, it's like some type of beverage. And then I just thought these were so cute. I actually cut some of these from my garden. They're like looking a little dead, but I think they're so cute. And then we have some grapes and another different like drink from Trader Joe's. Raspberry lambic, oh, it's raspberry, not strawberry, lambic beer from Belgium. It's not from Germany, it's from Belgium. And yeah, this is our cute little setup. Just like a little picnic. Nothing crazy today in this field. Say hi. Hello. And there's the sun. The sky actually looks nice, and it was super hot today, and now it's not. So. Raining on us. If you can't really tell, you could see, but we're just toughing it out. We were running around in the rain and we're just making the most of it. Eating our brie and baguette. We got a beautiful sunset in this rain. Are you choking? He's choking. We can have a grape. We got strawberry, rhubarb, soda. Delicious. Well, ooh, look at the sun. It's crazy right now. Ooh, golden hour. It's raining. A raindrop just landed in my eyeball. Look at my skirt. You know, it's kind of a vibe.
It is a solid vibe.
course I never have sunglasses. It's literally, I thought it was gonna stop raining. It has not. There's rain in my eyes.
Stop staring. You're literally staring.
There's rain in my eye. It's not. Okay, so it's a Sunday morning now. I'm actually about to leave to go hiking / to a waterfall. Because last time it wasn't that much of a hike to get to the waterfall, and then we just swam in the waterfall, and then we walked around a little bit, but then we left because it wasn't that far from where we parked. This time I think I don't know if we're gonna hike before or after, a little bit more than we did last time, but we have like our little special waterfall that we go to. I don't think you're technically supposed to swim, but we did last time. There was no one like checking, so we'll see. I'm bringing a bathing suit, change of clothes. I think we're gonna stop and get food somewhere over there. They have like a brewery or something pretty close, so that's the plan. I'm very excited. Sometimes I love to just be in nature, be upstate, and the waterfall is very pretty. And yeah, just gotta make the most of the fact that upstate's like an hour away, I think it's actually 2 hours, this park, but yep, I'm gonna show you my outfit. This is just, I'm wearing a bathing suit too, but this is just my little hiking outfit. I'm just wearing these bike shorts that are from, I think, Brandy. They're like the cotton ones. Just because they're thin, it's actually still a heat wave, so it's like 90 degrees or like 96 or something. And then I'm wearing just these old Adidas because obviously they're very dirty, but I don't want to wear something that I care about like getting them dirty, so these are perfect for that. And then I'm just wearing this, it's like a sports bra tank top thing, it's like kind of built in, from Aloe Yoga. It has matching leggings that look cuter with it, but it's way too hot for like tight leggings, and I'm gonna change, so these are just gonna be easier. Going into the rest stop to pee. We just stopped at the rest stop. Someone's eating jerky. It smells so strong. You know, standard. Oh, and a Red Bull. Road trip essentials here. I had a little protein bar already. That's your protein?
Mm-hmm.
For our hike. Is that the first thing you ate today?
I had cereal.
Oh. Wow, proud of you. Usually you would do that on an empty stomach. Alright, back on the road. We're going on the trail. Look how cute he looks. He's got his little bucket hat and your little bag. You look like a little baby when like a baby goes somewhere and they put a bucket hat on. Like literally we got nowhere yet and I'm already thinking it looks so pretty. Doesn't it though? We're in our nature era. In our nature country bumpkin.
Yeah.
Yep.
Maybe you're in your country bumpkin.
feel like you don't love nature the way that I do.
Make it a competition.
Waterfall. Last time there was a sign that said to not swim, but we swam anyway. But I think since then they have like 10 signs, and it also says that it's an ecological area, so we're definitely not gonna try to swim this time because I feel like they're making it a little stricter, and last time some other people were swimming. This time no one seems to be swimming, and it is very funny because I don't know if it's just the time of year or the tides or something, or like the rain water amounts this summer, but it was definitely way bigger. Like, it was a skinny waterfall, but there was way much more water falling. But it's still pretty. I think we're gonna try to walk over to the lake and swim, right?
Yeah.
Because wasn't it so much more like full last time? Wait, do you have the picture?
Yeah.
Let's see if you can tell. Look, let's see. That's me standing there. Like, what was that? Like 5 years ago. But look how much water is falling. But like the whole thing was like that. Like, I'm standing like kind of right over there on these rocks. Oh, it's like out of focus. I'm standing like right on those rocks over there, but there's definitely like barely anything falling this time. I don't know what that's about, but yeah. So it's pretty to see. It sounds nice.
It's relaxing.
I mean, obviously all the views are gorgeous anyway, but yeah, we gotta try to find the lake, I think. I took some clips. We were swimming in the lake, so we made it to the lake. We swam a bit. Well, he like really swam. I just kind of, waited. But it was really nice. It was way cooler over there than it was by the waterfall or just like hiking. We're gonna go now to a little brewery. They have food too, so we're gonna get some food, a little beers. I don't know if they have cider, but yeah, we're going to a little brewery now that's like not even 10 minutes away. I think it's small because obviously we're upstate, but nothing fancy, but that's what we're doing now. Yeah, and it turned out to be a very nice day. The waterfall was a little lackluster. It was a little just not as good as we remembered it. But the lake was nice, so yep, that is the plan. He loves to swim. He was swimming. Yep. So we'll show you what we end up getting from this little brewery. I just changed back into my bike shorts and my little aloe yoga sports top. But yeah, my phone keeps like shutting off. Not shutting off, but you know when it does like the temperature thing? Yeah, it keeps saying that it's like overheating. So that's how you know it's hot. But by the water, it was actually super nice. I forget what I was gonna say now. Are you gonna get a beer? I wonder if they have like little flights. I love a flight of anything. I just love to taste different things. I hope they have a pumpkin beer. Even though it's literally still July. It's the last week of July. And my birthday has ended. So now I'm excited for fall already. So I might get a pumpkin beer if they have. They probably don't. But they might. Or a cider. Most of the time they have like 1 or 2 ciders. And I think they have, I always check the menu before because I'm indecisive, so if not, it takes me too long. But they have like this little salad and it has goat cheese, and I love any salad basically with goat cheese. So I think I'm gonna get that. I'll definitely show you it when we get there. So I got a little cider, half sour, and what'd you get? Wow, you're trying to be tough and rough over here. You're trying to seem tough. You don't want to get a fruity one. You usually like a fruity one. That's why I was like, get the peach one. Is it rough and tough? Sweet? Really? I didn't think rough and tough would be sweet. Cheers. You're not clinking. Okay, so this is my salad. It looks really good. It was arugula with candied cherries instead of pecans, but with goat cheese, which I love. And then it had pecans too, but they said they were out, which it's fine. And then I got shrimp, but I think it's like a special type of like shrimp with some sauce. It looks really good. And then he got, what kind of burger is it?
It's a smash burger.
Smash burger with bacon and stuff. And some fries. Ooh, you got jalapenos. I might eat those. Some french fries. We're still drinking our beer. This looks so good. I've been craving like a salad like this. Oh, it was like out of focus. Oh, yeah. I've really been craving like a fall type of salad with like goat cheese and like, usually it's candied cranberries in the fall, but candied cherries is like a nice summer variation of it. It looks so good. How is it?
Good.
Good.